Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll see how to prepare mango raita. Mango raita? Yes, it is very tasty. In Karnataka, it is called as mavina and sasive, and especially in Malnad, it is very famous. For that, we need one mango. This will serve four people. So peel off the outer skin of mango and take lateral and horizontal pieces of mango like this. Put it into a bowl, the pieces of mangoes. Cut on the either sides of mango. Basically we are taking out the pieces, small pieces of mango. Especially the raspberry mango what we get is very tasty for preparing raita. And to grind we will add one green chili. You can add two also according to your taste. Half fresh coconut grated, half cup. Jaggery you can add. Here I have taken half cup of jaggery. If you want less sweet, so you can reduce it to 1/4 cup. Now grind this into a fine paste. You can add some water to this for grinding. Now add the paste into cut mango pieces. Wash the jar and put it to the same bowl. Now add 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Now curd you can add, which is the main ingredient. Thick curd I have taken here. For seasoning you add 1 teaspoon of mustard, 2 red chilies, dried red chilies, 1 tablespoon of oil, heat this mixture until mustard sputters. Now you can add this seasoning to the mango raita. Give it a quick mix. Yes, our mango raita is ready, which is very good, tastes very good with hot rice. Please try it at home. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and for more videos like this please click the bell button. Thank you so much for watching.